Damn. I can't believe I got grounded for dumping a bucket of water at Taylor while he was napping. What am I going to do now? I have an idea. I'm going to destroy the washing machine. Yeah. That's what I'm going to do. Ha 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 ha. All right. I'm in the basement. Now to destroy the washing machine. Yes. I destroyed the washing machine. Yes. I destroyed the washing machine. Yes. I destroyed the washing machine.
Toni, we heard that you destroyed our washing machine. Is this true?
Well, you're going to be so pissed when I tell you. But, yes. I destroyed the washing machine.
Toni Gallardo. How fucking dare you destroy our washing machine? Now we need a new washing machine because of you.
I strongly agree with your mother. You are grounded for 5 days.
Go to your room right now, and don't come out until dinner time.
Yes, y'all. Sorry, y'all.